Good morning. It's Pete Blair here, aka the Mad Scientist. Jesse Heron from Waycross, Georgia. He uses my soft, flexible contour sanding mandrels, and he's found a way to make a easier sleeve than the way I showed. At least I believe it's easier. I suggested you get a round dowel or whatever the same diameter as your rubber and form it around that. You can see that in another video. But Jesse does it this way, and I'll show you what he does. He starts off, and all he does is use his sample rubber for a length. So you want to roll that over, and you want to try and get it so it is overlapping the edge. I don't know, about 3/8 of an inch. I don't know if you can see that in there, but so about 3/8 of an inch is just about there. I'll just mark it with a pencil here. So that's about how long I want it. I can easily just transfer that mark to the back. Then using your pattern that I supply, just nick that off. You can do this with scissors or tin snips or anything you like. He doesn't do this, but I suggest if you're going to do it, then you take some kind of a rougher piece of sandpaper, even a piece of the same stuff, and you sand the back here, and that's to get a little bit smoother than the texture, just so the adhesive will stick better. And then sand off the front side, the sandpaper side, and again, be sure you sand it far enough away so that 3/8 overlap is not going to be trying to glue onto the grit. So that's fairly smooth. Then you just wrap it back around your or around your foam, like that. Draw a line on it. Now he uses a felt pen, which is probably smarter than what I'm doing here, but then just apply super glue to just about to that line. You can kind of see where the line is, I hope. It's just thin super CA glue. It could be anybody's brand. I don't think it matters. Then just bring the end over, try and line it up. And there you have it. Now I'm using 1.5 inch here. I send out 2-inch discs that are a little bit longer, but you could use 1.5 inch. You don't have to cover that whole roll. The super glue sets up pretty fast, and then all you have to do is insert it onto your sleeve, and away you go. You got a sanding sleeve all made up, ready to go. When you squeeze it with my mandrel, it stops it from spinning. And so that's it. That's, I think, a very easy way of doing it. Thanks, Jesse. Appreciate your input.